Hello everybody, welcome back to another Pugsmas video, and today this is going to be my second gameplay video, and we are going to be playing Toga Kitchen 2. Yeah, skip that. So like I said earlier, it's Christmas Eve, and yeah, I'm very excited. Yeah. So, and I also told you it makes this pasta run yesterday, didn't I? So, yeah, so I'm gonna make her steak and chips. Chip, 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 chip. How hard is it to make a chip? Meat. Okay. Why am I frying potatoes? That is my big question. Oh yeah, chips get fried, so. This is making me hungry. I think that's them pretty ready. Oh my goodness. Okay, was that good? Good, you're getting more. But, let's see. Deep fried chicken. Just take the bone off it. Doesn't look very appetizing, but some salt and pepper should do. Just put every sauce I can on it. Oh, stop faking it, get up. There we go. Let's see, tomatoes. Okay. Let's like another game, because games are always good, so. Let's play Vlogger Go Viral. Let's see what's going on today in Vlogger Go Viral. I love that music. Yeah? Yeah. Sorry about since it's Christmas, I just. That's mean. Sorry, so I got a card from my dad I need to write. Cool story, bro. No, yeah, I'm a cat person, but nope. I don't care. Cool story. Oh yeah, cool. OMG, you'll never guess what I want. I'm obsessed with my cat. Or, you know. Tommy! No! Ah! Sorry to ever like this, but I hate this ad.